All right, what's going on, everybody? Welcome to this video. So we got right here, as you can see on our fantastic, beautiful sticker here, ClutchMax Pro clutch. Got this off of Amazon, pretty friggin' cheap price. It was all made in America. It says made, assembled, blah, 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 blah. American made clutch, that's what it says. Pretty decent price, so let's see what it all looks like. It did come with throw-out bearing, pilot bearing, pressure plate, standard kit, I guess you could say. Alignment tool, brand new pilot bearing. Let's see what does it say on it. It says E20IR5 C3. Feels nice. Do not install until you completely understand and agree. So this is a 6-spring. I'm sorry, I'm sitting here looking at it. So there's the actual clutch plate. Let's see what else we got here. So I did order, this is the throw-out bearing. I did order a rebuild sleeve or repair sleeve or whatever they call it, and it comes with a different size. This is, I believe, a 33 millimeter inner diameter, and then when you get the repair sleeve, it comes in a 35 millimeter, so it's a little bit bigger. And then here is the beautiful, pretty pressure plate. Well, there you go. This is the kit. This kit, as I said, comes with the pilot bearing, throw-out bearing, pressure plate, friction plate, or the actual clutch plate itself, however you want to call it. I want to say this box is $85. $85 for a whole new setup. The repair sleeve and new throw-out bearing was $40, which I think is just it's going to be an upgrade that needs to be done. Again, Amazon. This is for a 2015 Subaru Impreza. Well, if you liked the video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, give it a heart, and any other way that you can help and support. And until next time. Ooh, also there will be a thread that I will be making on X that will have the entire install process of my clutch with the new shift fork, let's see, what did I order? New shift fork. Now we replace the whole clutch kit, throw-out bearing, blah, 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 blah. Yeah. So, till then, bye-bye.